In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet often necessary task that can make your document look cleaner and more professional. Whether you're using Word 2013 or a later version, the steps are straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word. Make sure the version you're using is either 2013 or a more recent one. Once Word is opened, get your document up on the screen. Now, the next thing you need to do is navigate to the page you want to delete. You can do this in a couple of ways. You can scroll through your document manually, which might be a preferred method if you only have a few pages. However, if you're working with a larger document, using the navigation pane can be very helpful. To access this, go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Word, then check the box for Navigation Pane. Once that's open, go to Pages in the navigation pane. This will allow you to easily click and jump to any page in your document. Now that you are on the page you'd like to delete, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. If you're using a Mac, you'll go to Edit, then Find, and then Go To. This will open the Go To dialog box. You'll see a field where you can enter what you're looking for. Type pause page into this box and then either press enter on your keyboard or select the Go To button on the screen. This command tells Word that you want to select the entire page you're currently on. At this point, the page should be highlighted, indicating that Word has selected it for deletion. Now, with the page selected, simply press the delete key, or if you prefer, use the backspace key. This will remove the page and its contents from the document. You should notice immediately that the page disappears and the content around it shifts to fill the gap. This is especially useful when cleaning up a document that has unwanted blank pages or sections. Once done, you might want to scroll through your document to ensure the deletion didn't affect any other formatting. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a page from your Word document. This process is particularly handy when editing large documents and keeping them streamlined. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Don't forget to save your document to keep all your hard work intact. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with others who might also benefit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.